This is the Note Pin S, one of the most compact AI voice recorders in the world, and this is its bigger sibling, the Note Pro, which many people consider the best AI voice recorder on the market. While both come from Plaud and naturally share some similarities, they were designed with completely different goals in mind. So in this video, we're going to break down what really sets them apart and help you figure out which recorder is the right fit for you. Before we get into the differences, let's take a look at what these two devices have in common. There's actually more than you might think. When it comes to AI features, both offer transcription in 112 languages with 300 free minutes per month, AI-generated summaries and mind maps using more than 10,000 professional templates, as well as Ask Plaud, a feature that lets you ask questions about your recordings once they've been transcribed. They also come with 64 gigabytes of internal storage and work with the same app on both mobile and desktop, including Plaud Desktop, which lets you record Zoom, Meet, or Teams meetings directly from your computer. Both devices also support the highlights feature, meaning you can mark key moments during a recording by briefly pressing the device button so the AI can emphasize them in the final summary. And finally, both recorders are compatible with Apple Find My. You can track them through Apple's device network just like you would an AirTag. With that out of the way, let's jump into the differences. One of the biggest differences you'll notice right away is the design. Both recorders are incredibly lightweight, but portability is one of the Note Pin S's biggest strengths since it's specifically designed to be carried comfortably from place to place while taking up almost no space. It also comes with 4 different accessories that let you attach it to your clothing. The Note Pro, on the other hand, is designed to attach directly to your phone using its magnetic case, or without the case if your phone already supports MagSafe. That said, it's still small enough to fit easily into a pocket or any compartment in a briefcase. This brings us to the biggest difference when it comes to audio quality. The Note Pin S features 2 microphones and captures voices clearly from up to about 10 feet away, which is more than enough for face-to-face conversations or meetings in smaller rooms. But the Note Pro is on a completely different level. It packs 4 microphones, that's 2 more than the Note Pin S, plus a VCS sensor, a special component that detects phone vibrations during calls, allowing it to record phone conversations with excellent clarity. On top of that, it captures clear audio from up to 16 feet away instead of 10, making it a much better choice for medium or large meeting rooms, any situation where people are seated farther away. His is probably the most important point in the entire review and the one that's most likely to determine which model you choose. While both devices can record virtual meetings through Zoom or Google Meet, only the Note Pro can record traditional phone calls. The Note Pin S, meanwhile, is designed primarily for in-person conversations. You could record calls by putting your phone on speaker, but that's really not what it's built for. It's a detail that many people overlook, but it's actually more important than it seems. The Note Pro also includes an AMOLED display protected by Corning Gorilla Glass, allowing you to check whether recording is active and monitor battery status without pulling out your phone. That's something the Note Pin S doesn't offer, and it's genuinely useful for avoiding distractions while recording meetings, classes, or interviews. As for battery life, both perform extremely well, but one of them clearly comes out ahead. The Note Pin S features a 320 mAh battery that delivers up to 20 hours of continuous recording and up to 40 days of standby time on a single charge, which is more than enough for most users. The Note Pro, meanwhile, includes a 500 mAh battery that provides up to 30 hours of continuous recording or up to 60 days of standby time when enhanced mode is enabled. It can even reach up to 50 hours of recording if you activate long recording mode. The Plaud Note Pro sells for around $189. As you can see from its pricing history, it's remained at that price since launch. The Note Pin S, meanwhile, costs $179, meaning there's only a $10 difference between the two. So now we can finally answer the big question. Is the Plaud Note Pro better than the Note Pin S? Considering how small the price gap is, the answer really depends on how you plan to use it. If you're going to record conversations in larger rooms, places with background noise, or if you expect to use it regularly or even every day, I'd go with the Pro. You'll get better audio quality thanks to its 4 microphones and longer recording range, plus significantly better battery life, which means you're much less likely to run out of power during your most most important meeting or class of the day. I'd only choose the Note Pin S if portability is your top priority, if you prefer wearing the device discreetly, or if you're only planning to use it occasionally in quieter environments or smaller rooms. However, if your goal is to record phone calls, then there's really no debate, go with the Pro. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Right after this, you'll see another video where you can discover the AI voice recorders that offer the most free transcription minutes every month. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.